Tired of your hard drive filling up because OneDrive downloads everything? I will show you how to turn on Files on Demand in about 30 seconds. No more hunting through menus, no more wasted space. Just a clean, simple fix. So here is the plan. We will start from your taskbar, click through a few settings, and flip the switch that lets you see all your files without them taking up space on your computer. It is really straightforward. All right, let us jump in. First, look down at your taskbar. That's the bar at the bottom of your screen. Find the OneDrive icon. It looks like a little cloud. If you do not see it, you might need to click the small up arrow to show hidden icons. Just click that cloud to open the menu. Now, in that menu, look for the gear icon. It is usually in the bottom corner of the window. Click that gear. A little drop-down will appear. From that list, go ahead and click on Settings. This opens the main OneDrive settings window where all the good stuff lives. Once the settings window is open, you will see a few tabs along the top. Look for the one that says Sync and Backup and click on it. This is where you control how files behave on your computer. Now, scroll down a bit. You are looking for a section or an option called Files on Demand. It might be right there in front of you. Go ahead and click on it to expand the options. And here is the really important part. You will see a checkbox that says Save Space and Download Files as you use them. Check that box. This is what turns on Files on Demand. When it is enabled, you will see little icons next to your files. A blue cloud icon means the file is online only and takes up no space on your hard drive. A green check mark means it is downloaded and available offline. Now, while you are here, take a look at the options just below that checkbox. You can decide what happens with new files that get added to your OneDrive folder. You can choose to have all new files be online only by default, which is the best way to save space. Or you can keep them downloaded to your computer if you prefer. For most people, I recommend setting it to online only. That way, every new file you add or receive stays in the cloud until you actually need it. Once you have made your choice, click the OK button at the bottom of the window. The settings will save automatically. Now let us verify it worked. Open your File Explorer and find your OneDrive folder. Look at the icons next to your files and folders. You should see a mix of blue clouds and green checks. If you see that blue cloud icon, you are all set. Your hard drive just got a lot more breathing room. You can see everything, but nothing is taking up space unless you double-click it to download it. And that is it. Your files are safe in the cloud, your hard drive is free, and you have full control over what stays on your computer. Thanks for hanging out with me.